With the Scan Preview feature, you can view your scan files on the touch panel before saving or sending them. When using the Scan Preview mode, you can delete, replace, or insert new scanned pages for an active scan job. These preview settings provide a convenient way to mix various original documents and formats into a single scan file. For example, you might have a text-based paper document that you want to scan and also include some photographs that you wish to include as part of the same scan file. Perform the following steps to delete, replace, or insert pages into a scanned document. Press the Scan button on the touch panel. Press the File button on the touch panel. To store the scanned image in a file on the device's shared folder, select the MFP Local button. Specify the settings for the file name and file format. Then press the OK button. Press Preview on the Scan menu screen to turn on the Preview feature. Then press Scan. Check the preview of your scan. To delete a page, select Edit. Then press the X on the top right corner of the page that you wish to delete. The system will prompt you to confirm page deletion. Select Yes to confirm page deletion. When done, select Edit to exit edit mode. To replace a page, select the page to be replaced. Then press Replace Page. The system will prompt you to confirm page replacement. Select Yes to confirm page replacement. To insert a page, select the page to be inserted. Then press Insert Page to insert a new page or pages in front of the currently selected page. The system will prompt you to confirm page insertion. Select Yes to confirm page insertion. Press the OK button to save and send your scan file.